Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for language learning. First, create a main page in Notion for your language studies. Within this page, set up distinct sections for different aspects like vocabulary, grammar, and practice. Utilizing Notion's database feature is key for tracking your progress and organizing information efficiently. This structured approach will form the foundation of your personalized language learning system. Next, let's tackle vocabulary. Create a database specifically for new words. Include columns for the word itself, its definition, and example sentences to see it in context. A spaced repetition property, perhaps a date, helps you schedule reviews. For pronunciation, consider adding an audio column where you can link or embed sound files. This makes your vocabulary practice dynamic and comprehensive. Now, let's organize your grammar. Set up another database dedicated to grammar rules, complete with explanations and examples. You can link directly to external resources like articles, videos, or online exercises within your Notion pages. For detailed notes, toggle lists are incredibly useful. They allow you to hide complex information until you need it, keeping your workspace clean and focused. Finally, consistent practice and tracking are vital. Implement a review system, perhaps daily or weekly, by filtering your vocabulary or grammar databases. Track your learning streaks and mark completed lessons to stay motivated. By using linked databases, you can create comprehensive dashboards that give you an overview of your entire learning journey, ensuring you stay on track towards fluency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.